Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix eSIM option not showing or not working or even missing on your iPhone. Alright, so this will be a quick step-by-step guide. And guys, point to note is that if you don't have an eSIM option, probably it could be because of your phone or your type of iPhone you're having. So point to note, there are some phones or there are some iPhones that do not support the eSIMs. And then among those that are supporting the eSIM, we have the iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone XX Max, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, and all these ones over here, plus this iPhone 15 Pro Max. So if you don't see your iPhone among this list, then doesn't support the eSIM. Alright, so for those who have them but they're not showing up, so make sure that your carrier supports eSIM services. So by the issue of the carrier, they mean say for example, make sure your mobile money or your mobile data service provider, so for example Airtel, Vodafone supports eSIM. Okay, so and then step number 3 is that update your iPhone operating system to the latest version. Okay, so after doing that, how to do that is quite simple. Go to settings, go to general, and then tap on update software and then update it. Okay, as you can see, here are some of the illustrations on how to do this. Go to settings. Once you go to settings, come to software update over here and then update. Okay, after doing that, then the eSIM will be automatically unlocked. Okay, but you just need to restart your phone from doing that, and then the eSIM option will then show up on your iPhone. Otherwise guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.